In this video we are looking at the Site Administration Configure Site section, specifically the Site Options. Here you can set some global options that will apply by default throughout the entire site. Note that disabled options are overridden by your config.php file. Dropping down each of these subsections will give you the options contained within. Site settings includes the name, language, default country and theme of your site. If Show Homepage Information is enabled, information about Mahara and how it is used will be displayed on the Mahara homepage. Logged in users will have the option to disable it for themselves. If Send Weekly Updates is checked, your site will send weekly updates to mahara.org with some statistics about your site. User settings includes some options relating directly to the members of your site, such as whether they have the ability to choose a theme for their views. If Display Remote Avatars is checked, the Gravatar service will be used for users' default profile icons. For more information on what this is, follow the link provided here. Select whether or not users can hide their real name. If this is selected, then users who have set a display name may choose to be searchable only by their display name and will not be found in searches for their real name. However, in the Site Administration section, users are always searchable by their real names, even if this is selected. You can allow usernames to be searched as part of the Search Users function. If Anonymous Comments is checked, logged out users can leave comments on public views or views they have access to by a secret URL. Group settings lets you determine who has the right to create groups and create public groups. In a default installation, these are both set to everyone. Publicly viewable groups are available to the public, as the name implies. In a public group, anyone who finds your site, including search engines, will be able to see the group About page, the member listing, and see all discussions in the forums. However, people will still have to become a member of the site before they can perform other actions, such as posting to the forums or viewing user profiles. Group categories must be set up by an administrator. If they have been set up and this option is checked, then people who create new groups will be able to choose in which category the group belongs. Under Institution settings, you can set whether users are allowed to be in more than one institution. If enabled, users can belong to more than one institution at any one time. Users will be able to apply to join an institution at any time, although the institution will have to approve their request first. Likewise, institutions will be able to invite users, but users must approve this request. Warning time for institution expiry, if set, will enable a warning message to be sent to a site and institution administrator this amount of time before an institution is due to expire and be suspended. This time may be specified in days, weeks, months, years, or no end date may be selected, where institutions should not receive a warning before their institution expires. Once a day, institutions are checked for expiry. If Auto-Suspend Institutions is set, this option will allow Mahara to automatically suspend an institution that has expired. This means that users of that institution will be unable to log in until the institution has been unsuspended. We will look at the second half of the site options in the next video.